fake flowers I got on Amazon. In here, Aritzia set. Hello. Things from CB2. Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Don't mind Big Bang Theory in the back. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. I have tried to pull myself together today, but I've been feeling terrible honestly the past 2 days. This weekend I went a little hard. We had a lot of fun over the weekend and now I'm just like run down. So I'm exhausted today. Okay, that was the exit. I'm exhausted today and I've gotten some stuff done and I'm already just like, okay, I need to call it quits. My throat hurts and now I'm just watching Big Bang Theory and I'm gonna relax. But today's Monday and I want to do a week in my life. I've been, let me put you here on my Campbell's chicken noodle soup. I've been filming and I'll usually film like Monday or Tuesday and then I fall out for the rest of the week and I'm upset about it. So we're gonna try again. Happy Monday. Let's bring you around this week. My flowers are dying, which I'm very sad about. Let me show you my outfit today. I am wearing this For Love and Lemon sweater. This is like one of my favorite things I own. It's just like one of my go-to. I always feel good in it. It's cute, but like comfy and yeah, love the little roses. And then these Goldie jeans that are like straight mid-wash. I also did my nails today. These are my own nails. I took off the tips. I'm gonna try to let them grow out and see how long I can get them. But this color is called Soft Pink from D&D. It's like one of those really good colors. It's just like baby pale pink. Adorable. I did my toes too. Also, I don't know if I ever showed you guys these, but I changed my flowers up for the season. These are fake flowers I got on Amazon because I like a big statement color right here in the entryway. And I used to have peonies, but I wanted a different color. So these are from Amazon. I'll link them. And they feel really nice. They're like silk. They're really pretty. I like the color. And then this vase I've had for a while, but yeah, I will link it. This is the entryway setup right now. We have some of our matches in here and all our other ones are in here because we got a lot going on right now. And then I have this little colorful setup. I looked and just bought this bench that's gonna go here, like a storage bench. Took a while for us to finally pick something, but should be good. Gonna put it under there. And oh, I also hung these pictures. My brother got me this for Christmas. It's a little picture of Brooks. You like send it to them on Etsy or something and they a picture of your dog and they'll like paint it. How cute is that? And then this is from France. I got it a while ago and I've had it for a while. So put this in the entryway. This is how the entryway is looking. I like it. I just had to go through my shoe organizer. I think I put that in a video a little bit ago, but I got a lot of shoes and now I need to take down some of my like summer shoes and put away the boots, which you would think helps, but I mean I still keep out some boots, so it's still packed, and that's that. But that's the outfit. I also just unboxed a package from ASOS. What's new here? I want to show you guys what I got. So I got 2 pairs of pajamas. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aubrey and I love pajamas. I wear a lot of fun pajamas. They're like my favorite thing to buy. And I got these from Monkey. They're like this fun satin psychedelic print little hearts. I love anything hearts or roses or stuff like that. Just girly things. But I thought this would be perfect. Honestly, you could wear this as a set like in the summer. So stinking cute. But this is the top, kind of like boxy style with the big shoulders. I think it's adorable. I got a size medium and it's cold. I don't know, but I will link it in the comments. And then I got another pair of pajamas. These were from ASOS Design, so probably a little bit cheaper. Not that Monkey is like crazy expensive or anything, but another satin pair. Shorts, yellow floral, super cute. Little top, again, satin. Then I got this little strapless shirt I wanted to try these. These are supposed to be like a good dupe for the Kate stuff. You know, the Kate, very expensive tops, cardigans, things like that. So this is a black strapless top that's like knitted. That's from Miss Selfridges. Last thing and most exciting, so I've had these for a while. These are the Crocs Mammoth style in like the fur, the pink. These are my favorite like dog walking shoes, slip on, but like it's fur, so I don't really want to wear those anymore. Now it's warm. So I picked up these. I'm a Crocs girl now. Don't worry, I haven't worn them yet. But they feel super soft and fun. I'm so excited. I got this like pinky color and I got a size 6 because I didn't know what size to get, and it fits perfectly. Honestly, Crocs are so stinking comfortable. I'm really excited to have them. I'm not gonna lie, they make my feet look very small because they are very small. But yeah, really insanely comfortable. Love the color. Cute but ugly, you know? That's the fun part. Actually, I think I was on Lioness, and they have all these like cute dresses styled with Crocs, and I'm like, why do I like that? That's what really made me like bite the bullet and buy them. And that was my little ASOS haul. Now my throat is literally hurting, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'll talk to you later. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? All right, it has been a while. I haven't even gotten out of my pajamas today, and I've been on my computer all day. It is now 2:30, and Dan just stepped out. Brooks is all anxious, and I am going to take him to the park. I did a lot of computer work, so now I can just like put my phone, put a podcast in, work on my phone while I walk him to the park. I think it's really warm out today. I'm pretty sure it's like 74. Feels like 74. I always like to stick my hand out the window and see like what that feels like. Oh my goodness, it feels beautiful. Okay, but let's get dressed. Brooks is freaking out. Are you freaking out? But I just got dressed. We're gonna head to the park. I'm gonna fill up his little water thing. If you guys have dogs and you don't have one of these water bottle things from Amazon, you need it. Let me show. Fill her up. And then it was like this. And it can close down. It has a little handle, but you could put it in your bag. And then this is the little like where they drink. There's a lock button here, but you can push it out and then you can push it back in, because if you have a dog, you pour some water for them, they don't drink the whole thing, now you're stuck with the water. So lock it up, and I'm just gonna hold it because I did my little belt bag. Let me show you my outfit. I put on this t-shirt from Target actually, and then this Aritzia set, biker shorts, and it's like a crop sweatshirt, but it's a little hot for that, so just got it over the shoulders. A little trucker hat, put my hair in a ponytail, and then some sunnies because I got some sensitive little eyes, so I'm wearing these Ray-Bans. And Brooks is freaking out, so let's go. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, so excited. All right, off to the park. Oh, Brookie, come on. No. Dirty mask on the ground. All right, guys, we're leaving the dog park. Someone's tired. I made a little tourniquet, not a tourniquet, a little holder, a sling out of my sweatshirt because he's too tired to walk. So this is where we're going. You're not in there. I take the skeleton key and I Hello guys, happy, oh, say hello. Say hello. Why are you being crazy? Anyway, happy Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? I just went out to lunch and got back. I have a few packages to open. I want to show you my outfit. Big things are happening here. So I got this big package from Target. We bought a little something for the entryway. Oh, I think it's the other way around actually. Woo! Ooh, it it looks pretty big. Oh my god. We got this from Target. Look how cute. There's stuff like this I've been seeing. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. I've been seeing a lot of these like tufted things from CB2, but they're so expensive, and I saw this one on Target, so I had, it's like a storage container, but also a bench. I thought it'd be perfect to go like under here, so you can like put your shoes on. I think it's so cute. Feels really nice. Adorable. I'll link it down below. Okay, look how adorable. Super cute. Pull it out. Put your shoes on. Boom. Also storage. I think it's great. I love it. Hello guys, happy Thursday. So proud of myself for actually filming on Thursday. I usually get to like Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, and then I like fall out because usually Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, busy for me. But I want to show you my outfit. It is a rainy, gloomy day. What was I saying? Oh, it's like a rainy, gloomy day, but it's still like warm. I did do some curlers to my hair, which I guess was kind of a waste because it is like humid and wet, but whatever. And here's the outfit. I'm wearing Skims tank top, these Aero shorts, leather shorts, because like I said, it is humid. Then this oversized blazer that's actually from H&M. I really like it. It's like pinstripe. I got it really big, and it still fits my like sleeve length, which I appreciate. Then I'm wearing some New Balance sneaks. These are my favorite new sneakers. The Sea Salt and Caramel sneakers. I'm a big fan. Then Dior saddle. I've really been wearing this bunch again. Where did I put my lip? I need to redo my lipstick because I just ate and it's gone. But yeah, that's the outfit. Let's see what we get into today. I also wanted to say I've been, I think I unboxed it on camera, but I have been trying out these Amazon Beauty Blender dupes, and it's worth it. This is so good. I think I got a pack of 5 of them for like 10 bucks maybe, and I got the ones that are black. Love it. I will link it in the comments, but it's so worth it. You just wet it, squeeze it out, and it's like squishy, amazing. You do not need to buy the beauty blenders. These are from Amazon and they are worth it. So I will link in the comments, but I wanted to do my review because I've been using it for a couple weeks and they're good. Okay guys, it's been a little bit. My hair has kind of lasted down here. I mean, up here is like pretty flat, but still have some curls. We're heading out to dinner. I want to show you my outfit. I'm wearing this top from Miss Selfridge. It's like a knitted bandeau top. Kind of gives me like Kate vibes. Then I'm wearing these Zara trousers. These are like my favorite trousers. They're a little big. I wish they were like one size down, but they didn't have, so that's fine. Love the color, love the cut. And then I'm taking out my new shoes. Comfy, cozy, a little bit cuter than like sneaks. And earrings are my own. I will link them, both these and all of these. So that's the outfit.